Moving slow up the mountain spine, clouds roll low like a warning sign. Stone on stone from another age, a windride ghost on a broken page. I parked the car where the ravens laugh, boots hit earth on the ancient path. Sky so wide and the world so small, time stands still by the old fort wall. Propellers hum a silver tone, a modern heart in a land of stone. Past and present start to blend. I lift it up and I press the sand. I'm flying around the fort at Hardknott Pass, circling the shadows of a Roman pass. Over the hills where the wild winds sweep, where the legions marched and the secrets sleep. From the sky I see what they once saw, green and endless, raw and raw. Above the walls that the centuries outlast, I'm flying around Hardknott Pass. Of Hardknott Roman Fort below, laid out strict in a perfect row. Stones that held the northern line of an empire's reach and grand design. Beyond the fells of Lake District rise, gray blue ridges and open skies. Heather bends in a restless wave, guarding every soldier's grave. I tilt the lens to the mountain crest, trace all roads from east to west. Through the screen the ages pass, echoes drift on the upland grass. I'm flying around the fort at Hardknott Pass, tracing out the footprint of the past. Over the stones in the valley floor, where boots once thundered in days of yore. From the sky I see what they once knew, mist and granite, iron and dew. Above the walls that the centuries outlast, I'm flying around the fort at Hardknott Pass. Signal strong in the mountain air, battery light but I do not care. For a moment I hold the frame, 2,000 years in a single flame. Empire faded, banners gone, yet the hills keep